What's up guys, back into another video, and in today's video we are going to be playing Minecraft. And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a car. So let's get started. So I'm going to teach you how to make a car. First what to do is make something like this, then leave one block there. Just break that eye kidding. So just leave one block there, go like this and put the buttons. Then what you do, you have to have some slabs. I'll show you what slabs. I use the same slabs for each and every curve whatever I use. You have to use this slab, smooth stone slab. Look nice, trust me. What? So hopes do you like it. Like the video and subscribe down below and comment down below in that small tiny block. Give me one note guys. Advertise. Okay, advertise comes in middle, but I'll cut it from there. So make like this, like one block. Make 3 types. So then you made all 3. Make like this. Put a block there, black block. Oops. Yep. So then put this stone button again. Give me 1 second again. Advertise. So the advertise is over. That's correct. So then I'll show you more what to do. So you did this. Putting wheels, etc, etc. Now what you do is only one few things left. What you do is choose any block of your, like any block, anything, diamond, anything. So I'll choose like, and for me I'll choose I'll choose emerald for now. You all can choose anything whatever you want. There is no problem in it. Just do like this, go like this, okay? Then go like this. Then you have to go like this and then go like this. Okay. But you have to keep one gap. I didn't keep one gap by mistake. Okay, so after that it will look something like this. Alright. Then what you do is, if you have glass, I'll show you what glass. Yeah, glass. You have glass? Great. Now again one more. Okay, so if you have glass, what do you do is just go like this, as you can see. So you'll get one space here like this. So what you do is, it won't work, but it will look something like that, like a real car. So what do you do is, now take a furnace. If you have furnace, and take a ladder. Where is the ladder? Here, ladder. So you got everything. Now place that here, and then you have to do this. Oops. One nut I'm flying. There. You put this, so it will look something like this. Now what do you do is, take your block again, cover this up. Sorry, not like that. cover this up like this. So you'll get something like as if you are sitting, something like that. Then build this part. And close this apart like that. This top part even. So as you can see, you get a form of a cup. Just only you have to just cover this up. There. Now what do you do is you are done with your car. Only the headlights and all you need. You'll give me one note again. Sorry very much guys for the advertise, because I don't know, advertise keeps on coming like that on my phone. So yeah, let's just continue what I'm doing. So you're done with everything. Keep everything back. Now what do you do is take a gold block and take a red stone block. I'll take it. First I'll take a red stone block, and then we have to take one of these frames, and then have to take where the blocks, gold block, here. Okay, so we got what we needed. Now just put some frame here and put the gold thing here, so it will become your headlights. So now what here will do the same thing. Go like this, put this, but it will look funny then. So you have to cut this up. So yes, it looks a little bit like a truck. I don't know anything else. I know like whatever ideas I get, I do it. It's like I don't know. Means whatever I get in my mind, I just start up with a video. Put one door like this kind of door only. Oops, I broke the ladder. But we had to remove. At least our less work became. Just put this there. So everything is done. Only one thing is missing. Give me again one more. So everything is, as I was saying, everything was done. Only one thing is missing, the ladder and the number plate. So number plate you put whatever you want. Now only one thing we need, the ladder and some whatever matching you put the carpet. I'll show you how it works. If you have wood or coal, just do it. I got wood. Coal is there. Yeah. So we remove the carpet. So here is the carpet. So now everything is done. Only this furnace thing is left. Put this here. Put the coal here. It will start smelting it by time. So just bend down like that. It will look as if you are in speed, some kind of thing like that. And you just put this. I don't have any block. Yep. So then bend down like this again and put, and you are finished with your nice little car. It's not a working car. I'm sorry, I can't make working cars. Yes, I can do whatever I can. Here I put a ladder. Okay, yes. So only one thing is left, your number plate. You put whatever you want. Put a signboard, then write whatever number plate you want. So then you have to just do like this and then close this. We'll get some gap here. What do you do is go like this. Take away your whatever block you have, or you put whatever block you put. I put emerald, so I'll go with emerald. Put like this. Put the color matching stairs on it. So this something will match. You can put any stairs, whatever you like. Give me one minute. Whoa, a helicopter. That was a helicopter, that's correct. That's a helicopter. Okay, so you put your stairs. So, as you can see, 1 second. You are complete with your little nice car. You are ready to begin inside your car. Okay, look like this. And if you like the video, please subscribe, click the like button, and stay tuned.